Hariom children, today I will show you a nice experiment. This one also you can try in your home. So first you see it how I am doing, then after that you will try in your home. If you will try practice more and more, you can also do. So first see it how I am doing. This is a plate, simple plate, you can see nothing is there, no plate. Now this is a piece of paper and I am wetting this paper with water. Water contains in the bowl. Now this paper I am keeping here on this plate. Now I am putting a candle here. Now I am lighting the candle. See it here, the candle is showing light. Now this is a plain glass, you see, transparent glass. Nothing is there inside, you can see, nothing is there. I am putting the glass over this candle. See what will happen. Now the candle flames goes away. Because why? Because for burning oxygen is required. Now there is no oxygen inside the glass. So after that I am putting two glass on two sides. See what will happen. See what will happen. See now this plate will work as a serving plate in your home. You can serve to your guest. See now how this glass taking how much weight, you can see. See this with a two glass also contains water. I have put both sides also, that much weight this can take. See this can act as a serving plate. You see how the empty glass, inverted glass with the plate working as a handle, taking both sides the glass containing water. It's really interesting, you can do, but it requires practice. Lots of practice required, then you can do. See how much time I have kept, nothing happening. More I can take also to the top. See clearly, visibly. Interesting or not? Simply a glass inverted I have kept, taking the plate, so big plate with both sides with a glass containing water also. How much weight this glass takes. See, really interesting. Now I am keeping it down. Again I am taking off. See how much time I can keep. Nothing will happen. Now I can move also. This side, that side. That side also I can take. To my side also I can keep. See, taking down and taking off again also. Nothing is happening. Okay. So after that, how it will happen. See, interesting or not? Now how it happens, after that I will explain to you. Okay, it's not a nice one or not? You try it, but after a lot of practice and in presence of your parents also you have to do, not alone. Okay, it requires a lot of practice. I am doing in a single hand I can do, but you have required a lot of practice and in presence of your parents you have to do if you want to do. Okay. Okay, after that I will explain to you. So children, when the candle was burning, That time I covered the candle with this glass inverted. So when I covered the glass, so what will happen? The candle stops burning in absence of supply of oxygen. So when before that the air, when the candle was burning, that time the air was hot, but when the candle stops burning, that time the air slowly goes and cools down. So what will happen? So when the air becomes cool, so according to gas law, EV is equal to nRT. When the volume is constant, N is the number of mole is constant, P is the pressure, is directly proportional to temperature. When the temperature inside the glass is decreases, so the pressure, air pressure also decreases. So when the pressure inside the glass decreases as compared to the outside atmospheric pressure, so the outside atmospheric pressure forces the plate to move off. See? Understood? Clear this concept? Okay. Thank you.